Hey guys, it's Lost, and welcome back to another art video. So here we have Nerissa, and I'm just gonna show you how I made it. No extra added nonsense, just me trying to figure out how to draw whatever it is that I'm trying to draw. So here we have a terrible start to a hand before I end up changing it later because, man, I just was not feeling the hand I was drawing. And even though I corrected it, it just didn't give off the mood that I wanted it to. So I'd go in and I'd try again. One thing to remember when learning hands is that hands are incredibly expressive. They're almost as expressive as the face itself. So if your hand does not match the mood of the artwork you're going for, it actually hinders the overall artwork. So that's a scary thing to think about whenever drawing hands is hard. But here we have the basic idea, kind of a feathery, fur-ish looking coat, just kind of crazy and going everywhere. I was actually thinking specifically when making this that I was thinking of like bird, and that's because in a weird way I've always viewed Nerissa as almost bird-esque. So I went for kind of a different facial expression than I typically do. I also realized that the eyes were too low. I have a tendency to draw the eyes too low whenever I first start rendering something or start drawing. So I had to fix it later because, man, I always draw the eyes way too low. But overall, the idea was a lot of draping hair and a focus on showing off the back or the neck. Even though I covered it up some, I want it to almost be peeking through. So now is where I start trying to decide what I want to do, fixing the ears, drawing the horns, and using the eyebrows to complete the mood of the entire artwork. So now, here pretty soon, we're going to start rendering or putting in the base colors. Hair is a really good way to cheat whenever you want to make the composition work better, because the better you are at drawing draping hair, the easier it is to lead the eye back to the face, which is typically our goal. At least with my artworks it is. So we're just putting in all the base colors right now, nothing too crazy. Nerissa's horns are so hard to draw. She has like this crazy like musical note thing motif going on in her horn, and I'm gonna be real, I can't draw it. It's so hard. But I'm gonna keep trying and figuring out a way to draw this a little bit easier. I actually have an idea of drawing the music note first, then drawing the rest of the horn around it. And I think that may make my life a whole lot easier. Part of me thinks that's how the original artist did it. So, let's see if that ends up working next time I do it. If it does, I'm gonna be like, yes, I figured it out. But for the most part right now, I just kind of have to make something that looks similar, but not one-to-one. You'll notice I put multiple colors in the hair before adding a multiply layer, and that's because it makes the blending of the hair more unique. I started doing that recently, and I personally love how it makes everything blend nicely together. Lots of gradients. So now I've got the basic idea and the shine in the hair, but I ended up going with a different angle because the shine, as I put it originally, didn't follow the angle of the head correctly, so it made everything feel off. Lots of multiply layers. I like to use blending modes. Some artists like to draw it in themselves, but I personally really like to use blending modes because it makes my life a whole lot easier. That may change down the line once I start to get better at drawing things. But for now, blending modes are my go-to. There we go. Little adjustments. Now we're gonna add little points of interest and some more contrast. Here's where I start to realize the background would still look better if it was white and not black. So I ended up switching it back, adding an add glow layer, making everything pop a whole lot more. Some specks of dust to kind of capture interest and some draperage. I don't know what else to call that. Like, I had a lot of draping things to my artworks because I think it looks really nice. And that is basically how I made this artwork. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.